in store.
Hi Rebecca, good evening all. Well, I'll say through the forecast it does look pretty changeable, quite mixed. Tonight most of us will end up seeing some rain, a better day tomorrow, but even then there's still going to be a few showers around. And then when looking ahead to the weekend, I think our main period of concern in terms of the most persistent, heaviest rain, what that looks to be on Saturday night. Now if you did head outdoors earlier, you probably noticed just how mild it was, especially in North Wales. 3 of our weather stations in Flintshire, Gwynedd and Denbighshire got to 16 degrees Celsius. Our weather watcher who sent in this photo said that the ice cream vendor in Rhyl was actually quite busy today, bearing in mind it is the middle of February and these are the sorts of temperatures we'd expect to see in May. Further south it wasn't quite as mild as this, but still temperatures were quite a few degrees above average. Now in terms of weather warnings, we still have this rain warning in force over the coming hours for parts of South Wales, so expect some surface water and spray on the roads, and there's also the chance for some localised flooding. Looking at the graphics then, this is what we've got in the forecast over the coming hours. So a band of rain spilling its way eastwards. I think that will be pretty widespread for a time, in places heavy and could allow for quite tricky travelling conditions. But through the small hours, that's when it will turn drier with some clearer skies. Still a few showers dotted around and another frost-free night in store with overnight lows of around 7 to 9 Celsius. Tomorrow then, a better day, better for getting outdoors. I think we will start off with a few showers which will become more isolated as the day wears on. We'll probably start off on quite a cloudy note too, a bit misty and murky in places, but tomorrow afternoon looks brighter. I think most of us should get to see some form of sunshine for a time, and temperatures not quite as high as today's values because we're going to see more of a westerly wind direction, but temperatures still a number of degrees above average, which tends to be around 7 across the country. Looking at further out then through Saturday, we have a warm front then a cold front moving across the country. Essentially more wet weather will be brought with that, and the winds will also strengthen, and we'll have a mild air mass with us still, as you can see by looking at these yellow and orange shades. So temperatures still quite a few degrees above the seasonal average. Saturday itself then, I think any brightness will soon fade, and then we're going to be left with a lot of cloud, misty and murky in places with reduced visibility, and then the next band of rain will move in, and that's just going to continue to push eastwards across the country on Saturday night. I think on Sunday we'll still see a hangback of cloud and rain, but once that clears through, I think later on Sunday something drier and brighter. Welcome news. That's your latest. Rebecca.
Sabrina, thank you.